The USS Oriskany was a powerful aircraft carrier. It served in the United States Navy. The Oriskany was a veteran of many battles, but its toughest fight was against an enemy it never expected fire. In the midst of the Vietnam War, the Oriskany found itself on a different kind of battlefield. This one was not fought with bullets and bombs, but with courage and determination. It was October 26, 1966. The Oriskany was on station in the Gulf of Tonkin. The crew was preparing for another day of flight operations. A seemingly harmless magnesium flare used for signaling lay innocently in the hangar bay. But fate had other plans. The flare was accidentally dropped. It ignited with a blinding flash. The intense heat and flames caught everyone off guard. Panic spread through the hangar bay as the fire grew rapidly, fueled by flammable materials nearby. The Oriskany's crew, trained for battle, now faced a different kind of enemy, a raging inferno. The fire quickly spread, engulfing the hangar deck in a thick black smoke. The heat was unbearable, reaching thousands of degrees. The air became heavy with the smell of burning metal and fuel. The fire raged on, consuming everything in its path. The flames danced menacingly, casting an eerie glow on the terrified faces of the crew. Amidst the chaos, acts of incredible bravery unfolded. Sailors, their faces blackened with soot, formed human chains to move ordnance to safety. They risked their lives to contain the fire, their courage fueled by a sense of duty and camaraderie. Section 4. Battling the Blaze. The Oriskany's fire suppression systems roared to life, but the fire was relentless. Water seemed to have little effect on the inferno. The ship's crew fought tirelessly, hour after hour, to contain the blaze. They used every tool at their disposal: hoses, extinguishers, even their bare hands. The fire raged for hours, testing the limits of human endurance. But the crew refused to give up. They knew that the fate of the ship and the lives of their shipmates depended on their actions. Section 5. Lessons engraved in smoke. After an agonizing 3 hours, the main fire was finally extinguished. The hangar deck was a scene of utter devastation. The smell of smoke lingered in the air, a grim reminder of the battle that had just been fought. The cost of victory was high. 44 sailors lost their lives, their names forever etched in the annals of naval history. The Oriskany fire was a tragedy, but it was also a turning point for the U.S. Navy. The investigation that followed led to significant changes in fire safety regulations and procedures. New materials, better training, and stricter protocols were implemented to prevent a similar disaster from happening again. The Oriskany, scarred but not broken, was repaired and returned to service. It served as a poignant reminder of the sacrifices made by those who sail in harm's way. The lessons learned from the fire continue to shape naval safety protocols to this day, a testament to the bravery and sacrifice of the crew of the USS Oriskany.